Portland electric pressure washer, 1,750 PSI, 1.3 gallons per minute. Picked it up at Harbor Freight. It was originally $89. Well, that was the price on it in the store. So it has an adjustable spray nozzle, variable spray pattern, convenient onboard power cord, spray gun nozzle in one storage, 20-foot non-marrying high-pressure hose. So, and then it also includes a low-pressure detergent bottle, so that'll be good for like you cleaning the truck and all that good stuff. Anyway, spray gun, extension nozzle, 35-foot of power cord, 4-inch wheels, soap dispenser. Which I already said that. So let's just get into it. So, first thing is the instructions and some sort of little key pin thingy here. I'm not sure what it's used for yet, but anyway, there's not really going to be much put together. There's the instructions. Here's the handle. Here is the spray hose part. Here is the nozzle. So I'm assuming it is going to fit right down in here. It's got these little notches on it. Just line your notches up. It actually has marks on top where the notches are. Stick it down in there, turn it, and then there, it looks like this whole end is adjustable. So you can turn it to whatever pattern you want. It actually tells you, that's kind of cool, it tells you the maximum PSI when you got it on 12 liters a minute, 3.2 gallons per minute. 160 bar is 2,320 PSI. Piece of cardboard. Here is the low pressure spray bottle, so it's going to be the same thing, and that's going to be part for where the cord wraps around. This is the high pressure hose, and this is the machine. That in there, so pretty cut and dry. We're just going to go ahead and undo the hose here, and let's see, this end is going to get alright. That one's, I gotta look at this for a second. What end goes where? The water's gonna go in here, so this is the water hose. It goes on the front. So it's gonna go, I always like to look, make sure it's tight. That way it don't leak. I don't want to get it too tight, but there we go. It's about where she's going. And this part, it looks like there's a little button here that it's going to lock this into place. So you got this little joint here. So you're going to slide this back, and then you're going to stick this in there, and then you're going to clip. You're going to press, and then this thing's going to hold it into place. So it looks like this piece, I don't see any hardware. It must all just kind of snap together. I'm going to put that there. That's for the cord. And this piece, it looks like, goes just like that. It looks like it's just going to pop in. So it's, you got these holes here, and then you got these two holes right here. So you got here, you just line it up. And I'm assuming this is the first time I've looked at this or used one like this, so I'm just going to tap it on. It's not quite. Did it come with screws? Because it did come with screws. That, give me one. Part is, let me see this. The other neat part is it looks like if you take this, you can hang your hose here and stick this down in there like that. And then, give me that bottle. The bottle, I don't think it's really got a place for it. So, yeah, you're just gonna have to keep up with the bottle.
Off and on.
Yeah, but turn it off. Make sure you leave it on the off side. As the cord says, to turn on power after plugging in, press reset indicator should turn on. Press test indicator should turn off. Press reset again, indicator should turn on again. You're not going to have to do that every time, but if you need to hit the button, then you'll know to check that out. So, there we go. That's better. Let's go. Plug it in. No leaks.